Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Swift car's Bluetooth touchscreen. First, make sure your car is safely parked and the ignition is on, powering up the infotainment system. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings to enable Bluetooth. Confirm that your device is discoverable, allowing the car to find it. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful connection process. Now, let's initiate the pairing. On your Swift's touchscreen, tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear, or directly select the phone option. Within this menu, locate and choose Bluetooth. You'll then see an option like Add New Device or Pair Device. Select this, and your car's system will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices, displaying them on the screen within a few seconds. To complete the connection, find your mobile device's name on the list presented on your car's touchscreen and tap it. Both your car and phone will then display a unique passkey, typically a 4- or 6-digit number. It's important to quickly verify that these passkeys match on both screens. Once confirmed, accept the pairing prompt on both your car's system and your mobile device to establish the connection. After successfully connecting, test the system by playing some audio or making a quick hands-free call to ensure everything works as expected. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your mobile device and the car's infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. Also, confirm that no other previously paired devices are currently connected, as this can sometimes prevent a new connection. Enjoy your seamless audio and communication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.